If you had shown interest to volunteer for the FIFA World Cup 2026, then today you would have got email just like this, and once you click on apply now, you'll be guided to this FIFA volunteer webpage where you'll have to sign in using your email address and password. So once you're done with that, you will come to this page, and here you see there are 10 steps. You don't have to worry about all of these steps because right now you'll only be completing 2 steps. The first one is selecting host city and second is the application form. The remaining one are when you actually become volunteer. That's when this step 10 will complete. Right now it's just doing step 1 and step 2. We'll go one by one. Click on select host city, select the country and the city. Here I am showing Canada and Toronto. Click on complete application form, and once you do that, you will come to this page. This is a consent form where you will check all the boxes and also enter the date when you are checking this box. So once this is done, you come down, and once everything is checked, you click next. This is a easy personal information section. So you can see here first name, last name, preferred name, sex, country, nationality, all those details you will fill. This is the drop down from where you can select the details and then click next to come to this page. You'll come to this page where you will enter the contact information. You can see here your address, and then you will also be submitting your profile picture, then the document, one of the valid document. Let me come and show you what documents are accepted. You see here document type. Once you select, all of this what you see on the drop down are accepted. You could either do a passport, any national ID, or Canada and US only driver license. So you can see here health card is also. So once you make that selection, come here and issuing country you select, then you enter the date of expiry. So once that is done, click next. This is the emergency contact section. So you'll enter the details, you'll select the country and then who that emergency contact number is, all those details you will fill. You can select this drop down, and once you make the selection and click next, on this page you update if there is any disability or allergies to food or any other option. So once you make that selection, click next. This section is where you tell about your availability. So you can see here these are all drop down from where you make the selection, and then you confirm your availability. If there is a particular schedule for which you are available, you make that entry again here and let them know about your preferences like this. Once this is done, you complete everything, then you click next. On this page, you talk about your employment situation, and then you also talk about proficiency with the language. So there are 3 languages shown here: English, Spanish and French. And beyond that, what all languages you know, you make those selections from this drop downs. And once that is done, you also mention the top 3 skills you have from this drop down. You can make 3 selections like from this drop down. Then you make selection on preference for the functional area, that is, as a volunteer, which area you would bring your expertise and where you would like to participate. So you will start filling in this detail one by one, and once that is complete, you will click next. Then you come to this volunteer uniform section where you will choose whether you're a male, female. Once that selection is made, you can also see this size chart. Carefully choose the size of the top, bottom of t-shirt. From this, these are all t-shirt, and then you also have a shoe size. Click next and you come to this page where you will agree to all of these section, and once that is done, click next. Whatever you have filled so far, you will be able to review here. If any edit has to be made, you can make that now. If everything is good, then click next. And once you submit, you will come to this dashboard, and then you will start filling in this online assessment. Once you go to the page, I will show you what those assessment is. You start from here, click start. You come to this page, answer this question, and then one by one question will come where you'll have to make selection whichever is the best answer according to you. I'll make a separate video for the answers what I have given and the logic behind it. But for now, you can check this questions what were there. Last 3 questions are not multiple choice. Instead, you'll have to write for each of them your answer. And once that is done, you have completed the form and then wait for the next step.